Wow, look at that. That's a very rare type of woodpecker. That's a eastern doubleback diamond red-headed woodpecker. Very rare. It's the rarest woodpecker in the United States. Wow. Yeah, I think you can get a woodpecker at the pet store. Does anyone have some? We could get some food for that woodpecker. Oh look, he's pecking the wood. Do you see? Wow. Oh well, there you go. That's the rarest woodpecker in the United States, and we got him. We got him on the video. Amazing.